Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, southwestern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, north-central London County in northern Virginia, northeastern Jefferson County in the Panhandle. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, southwestern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, north-central London County in northern Virginia, northeastern Jefferson.
Oh, Loudoun County.
Panhandle of West Virginia.
Need your help.
This could hear those outdoors, as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Harry Grove Stadium, Ballinger Creek, Brunswick, Walkersville, Braddock Heights, Harpers Ferry, Clover Hill, Point of Rocks, Discovery Spring Garden, Linganore Bardensville, Braddock Heights, Harpers Ferry, Clover Hill, Point of Rocks, Discovery Spring Garden, Linganore Bardensville, Adamstown, Jefferson, Lovettsville, voluntary room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning.
Union can help you with hygiene, and I know this because... That's it.
Nope. There it is, sort of. No. Can't count that.
While occurring with this storm, lightning is one of indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's severe weather safety. Remember, lightning or thunder.
All right.
Torrential rainfall is occurring.
On WLVW go.
Rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh. Okay, let's go ahead and see if these ERVs going, because I'm pretty sure they are.
County in northern Virginia, northeastern Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia until 3:45 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
Oh yeah, it's coming right for me. I'm gonna be under an SVR soon. All right, let's see if WFQX relays SVRs. No.
This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Harry Grove Stadium, Ballinger Creek, Brunswick, Walkersville, Braddock Heights, Harpers Ferry, Clover Hill, Point of Rocks, Discovery Spring Garden, Linganore Bardensville, Adamstown, Jefferson, Lovettsville, Bolivar, Buckeyestown, Rosemont, Warrersville, Burkittsville, and Gatlin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh boy.
Damaging winds and continuous ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.